There you go. Smack it hard.
Let me see, Remi. And go forward, okay?
Put your hands out. Both hands out. Give me a smile. Which one's the birthday girl? I can't tell. You guys are matching. Oh, it's you with the flowers. Okay. This is the next day and we're at the hotel. We're just checking in. It's nothing special. Just the La Quinta. Somewhere nice for them to. Somewhere nice for them to go and hang out at the pool, you know? Yeah. Who wants to push the button?
Me.
You all can push it. Okay, you're bringing it straight in just a little bit.
Okay, we're on the top floor, so push the very top button. Alright guys, we're in the room. Somebody's gonna get hurt. The bathroom's alright. Nothing special. It'll work for the night. Woo! Which one do you think it is?
That one.
428? Could be it. Go ahead, knock. Or is it 426?
She's in there.
Yep, they're in that one. Knock. Remi, knock. Knock. Knock again.
What? You're here.
Shh.
Gabby, are you ready?
Okay, go.
Hello.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Party time at the pool. Everybody's at the hot tub. Ready? Let's go under with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Get in, guys. You can float. And you know how to swim. It is echoey in here. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Is it cold? Are you getting in? Let's see it, jump. Oh, I just got everything wet. Mainly my stuff. Alright, Rocky, here you go. Did you just hit the bottom? I heard it. You didn't? Now you gotta turn around and talk to it. Dude, you gotta go underneath. Alright, good morning. It's breakfast time. Kyler, are you ready to go eat some breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get some breakfast. Hey, you passed the elevators.
I'm funny.
You funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Why
are.
did you press just that?
Because I can still record with just this. You thought that was done? I think I'm gonna get a waffle too. All right, Kyler, what do you got there?
Waffle, muffin,
What kind of muffin?
blueberry.
Blueberry, with some biscuits and gravy, and some eggs, and a big old waffle. Remi, what do you got?
Butter.
Good morning, by the way. Are you eating butter? Ew.
Yummy.
Yummy, do you like it? What do you got?
I got an egg and cereal. Now I'm gonna eat this. And a muffin and a bagel.
Ooh, big old cream cheese. Yummy. All right, guys, who's ready for the pool?
Me!
Who's more excited?
Me!
I couldn't tell. Who's more excited?
Me!
Kyler's more excited.
Are you more excited, dude?
Alright guys, we get some breakfast, got our coffee on, and now we're going to take it to the pool.
What do you guys say? Say thank you.
Whoa! Mommy did a big cannonball. What do you think, dude?
Cool!
What do you think, Rocky? Oh yeah. Mommy never gets in the pool. She don't like getting her hair wet. Kyler. Hey, dude.
Cool!
Okay, back up. You like going underwater now? Kyler, because you never like going underwater, do you? But you do now?
I
Rocky! Whoa, Piper! Good job! What? Piper on her birthday.
I'm okay.
Cool, Piper. It was waiting to come out this whole time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Give me a smile. Ooh. We lost a tooth. How, Remi?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me
What do you think, Kyler?
Mommy.
Cool!
There it is.
We tried to make it to the birthday so we could take a lot of birthday pictures without it falling out, but it fell out already. Yep. Does it feel weird that it's not in there anymore? Been wiggling it all morning, haven't you? Guys, we're checking out of the hotel and we're gonna go to the birthday party. Look at the birthday girl. Which one's the birthday girl? I can't tell. You guys are matching. Oh, it's you with the flowers. Okay. I like your beautiful dress. Okay, get in the elevator.
Go.
Go. Your matching dresses are beautiful, ladies.
Start. Yep.
Kai, how's it going, dude? The backpack's heavy for you, huh?
You want me to carry it?
I don't think that's any lighter. Alright, so we're off to the birthday party and we're gonna be celebrating your birthday! Let me see that tooth you lost again. Ooh, cool. We're all loaded up. Kids are ready.
Yes! Ready! I have JoJo on.
You got JoJo on? Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're here at the birthday party. Let's go check it out. See what we see. Birthday girl. Ooh, I like your new dress. You got a Dr. Seuss dress? What do you think it is, Remi? A slope. There you go. Yeah. No training wheels. Good job, Piper. Proud of you. Uncle's proud of you.
Big deal, Piper.
Kyler, what are you doing? Blow it. Oh, nice. Whoa.
Too hard.
Good. Woo! Let me see, Remi. Whoa. You're silly. Rocky, let me see. Blow it. Oh, really hard. Oh, hold on.
All right, guys, birthday food. It's a barbecue. Oh yeah, everything's homemade.
I'm excited.
Even these pickles are homemade, huh?
Really?
The bread and butter too. They're the sweet ones.
No way.
Oh yeah. Remi, what do you got, Steve?
Needle.
What? Hey, birthday girl.
There you go. Oh. I think you're the winner.
All right, Kylie, you gotta put your mask on. Put your blindfold on.
Okay, I'm gonna spin you, okay? 1, 2. Let's go 3. Yeah, because he's 3. Okay, and then go forward, okay?
Put your hands out. Both hands out. Hold it. Nope.
This way. That way.
Yep. Just put it to the, yep. Okay, push it onto the wall. Nope, push it onto the wall. Right, nope. Okay, there you go. There it is.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, we're gonna do it, but Piper's first because it's her birthday.
I was second hard.
How hard?
Really hard.
And how many times are you gonna do it?
5.
We're flying by the wire right now. Do it, Piper, go! Oh! Alright, we're doing double wax. Double wax, yeah. Hold tight, hold tight. Someone's gonna get it. Do it again. Yeah, Rocky, get it. Good job, babe. 5 times, go 4 more. Oh, there you go. There you go. Smack it hard. Really hard. All right. Good job, babe. There's 3. Good job, dude. That's it. That's it. You're done. Hey, you're done. Good job, dude. Cake time.
You're a little kitty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Piper. Happy birthday to you.
All right, guys, we missed the piñata, but we got this. Well, we didn't miss the piñata. We've missed all the candy opening all over the ground. There was a lot in there. Piper's opening up presents. Remi thinks she's playing with piñata.
Yeah, okay. Subscribe to our video. Make sure you stay tuned for the new videos we're coming up. Because we got lots of new stuff we're going to be doing, right?